Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Nabila Rusyadah. In here, I will analyze a story with title The Little Magic Girl by Hans Christian Andersen. First, I will analyze the plot plus exposition. Exposition start with introduce the atmosphere that happened in the story and the condition of the characters in the story. The evidence in the text is proof in the first paragraph. In this cold and darkness there went along the street a poor little girl, bareheaded and with naked feet. And the next is rising action. Start of the conflict with no one had poked her mage and she was very cold. It is shown in the text, for she had not sold any mage and could not bring a farther thing of money. Next is climax. Climax start with her grandmother appeared and she didn't want her grandmother to disappear. And the evidence from the text is grandmother cried the little one, "Oh, take me with you." Next is falling action. Falling action start with the grandmother took her hand and they flew into the sky. The evidence is she took the little maiden on her arm and both flew in a brightness and in a joy, so high, so very high, and then above was neither cold nor hunger nor anxiety, they were with God. Next is resolution. Resolution start with the discovery of a dead, the little girl. The evidence from the text is in the last paragraph. Frozen to death on the last evening of the old year. Next analysis is point of view. Point of view in this story use third-person limited omniscient because the narrator use words such as she, her, and the little girl. Next is the character. There is three characters from the story: the little match girl, the grandmother, and the father. The little match girl is the main character and she is dynamic character. And the little match girl have a trait, young, poor, imaginative, and dreams of warmth and innocence. The second character is grandmother. Grandmother is the main character and static because she doesn't change from the start until the end. Her trait is love, kind, protection for the little girl. The last character is father. Father in the story is minor character and static. The trait is abusive, selfish, and responsibility. Next is setting. Setting in this story is the night was New Year's Eve on a cold winter day. That shows in the first paragraph from the story. Most terrible cold it was. It snowed and was nearly quite dark in evening, the last evening of the year. Next is symbols. First, match. Match is the symbols of hope and courage. Second is like is the symbol of warmth and comfort. The last is the shooting star. The shooting star is symbol of death. Her grandmother said, when a star falls, a soul akin to God. Next is dams. Dams in this story is man versus nature. and the universal themes is the importance of love and kindness. And the next is literary analysis. First is foreshadowing. The little girl is foreshadowed by the falling star. And the second is personification. One of the stars is personified as falling and making a bright streak of the light across the sky. And the next is irony. In this story is used situational irony because the little girl saw much which are mean to start fires and keep people warm. However, the girl has no shoes in the particularly freezing to death. It shows in the story, but in the corner at the cold hour of dawn sat the poor girl with rosy cheeks and with a smiling mouth, leaning against the wall, frozen to death on the last evening of the old year. And the next is flashback. In this story, the author used a flashback to clarify the action that the little girl sees when a little lighting a match. Next is opinions. In my opinions, I agree with author because Anderson's understanding of how people are to the suffering happening around them is clearly pictured in the Little Match Girl story. The Little Match Girl has been adapted into different media such as Disney shorts and a made-for-TV movie. The Little Match Girl from Disney, published in 2006, it was nominated for Oscars for animated short film.